back to another ptfs video. Today we're going to be flying a Qantas a380. So we're landing at the Tokyo International Airport today with a butter. That was such a butter. So we are going to gate. We're going to gate 18. Yeah, let's check what thingy we can go do. Okay, so we're going to go gate 12. So guys, in the next video, we'll do a long haul flight from Tokyo to Greater Rockford. And yeah, don't forget to like and yeah. So guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and yeah, see you later.